Okay, YouTube, we are in the RV now, and we're going to do a review of these lights. These are the lights here. God, it's so dark. Nope. These are the light bulbs that we're looking at right there, and I'll take one out. This is what I'm replacing. This is an incandescent. It's 1256, but it's a decorator bulb. This is what we're putting in here. These are LEDs. Bought these on Amazon. So let's go ahead and take a look here. So I already had one bulb out, so I was looking to get some replacements anyway. And let's take a look. They are smaller. They are bright. They're very pretty. Okay. They sell them 4 to a pack. That way you have one spare one, they say, just in case. So I had to buy, I have 2 light bulbs here. I have 2 light bars. Yep. So, look at, here's my goodie bag that I got for the RV here. So there's a box, and in the box you get 4 little boxes. And then here's my little clip, which goes on my door right there. It's broken. You can't see it. But anyways, this is my clip. I'll be putting in there. Okay. All right. So we'll go ahead and replace the last one, and then we'll do a, sorry, I got a little camera shake going on here, don't I? Oh, that one's separated from the base. Okay, so let's step back and take a look. They are smaller. I'll have to do the wattage test, but that's not going to be part of this video. Anyways, I will send a link to the product. It's not a paid review. Just showing you some RV upgrades, something you may want to consider to save your battery life. Thanks for watching.